Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 1, Frame Kit. Before beginning assembly, make sure you have downloaded the Rome Handbook. Scan the QR code included with your kit or visit the Rome documentation page at aerosystemswest.com. The handbook includes critical safety information you must review. Step 1. Set up a clean, organized workspace. Use a surface with enough room to lay out your parts and hardware. A wood or laminate workbench works best. Avoid metal surfaces as parts can slide and carbon fiber components may scratch. Be mindful of static. Unbox your Rome frame kit and get everything within reach. Step 2. Arm assembly. You'll need the 4 arm spines, the 4 electronic speed controllers, a 7/64" hex driver, thread locker, and hardware from Bag A. Nice! Now that we have everything laid out, let's assemble the arms. Each arm assembly consists of 1 arm spine and 1 electronic speed controller. Position the ESC on top of the arm spine and align the mounting holes. Using hardware from Bag A, install 4 screws per arm assembly. There are 16 total screws used in this step. Most fasteners in this build require medium thread locker. Make a very small opening in the tip to control the amount. Apply only a small amount, just enough to secure the hardware while still allowing for future maintenance. And keep the cap nearby. You'll be using this throughout the build. If any bolt is loosened after installation, make sure to reapply thread locker before reinstalling. Once all screws are seated, tighten them evenly and securely. Repeat this process for all 4 arms. Next, we're going to install the landing gear to the arm assembly. Grab your landing gear and get it out onto the table. The landing gear slides into the bottom of the arm assembly. We're going to be using 3 screws from hardware Bag A to secure each arm to the landing gear. This step uses 12 screws total. Again, add a small dab of thread locker on each screw before threading in. Take your time to avoid cross-threading the hardware. Repeat for each arm assembly, totaling 4 arms with landing gear.